Determine the tangent line to the following function at x equals 1. Okay. X equals 1. Let's say it's about here. That's x equals 1. And I need to know my slope there. Okay, here's my tangent line. There's my tangent line right there. And that has the equation y equals ax plus b. So I need to get what my a is, my slope. So to get the slope, we're going to take this original function and take the derivative of it. dy by dx is equal to, okay, so it's going to be 3x minus 1, bracket close, 2 times the derivative of the inside, which is just 1. That's it. So there's the derivative. Now I want to figure out what the derivative is, what the slope is at x equals 1. So it's equal to 3, bracket open, 1 minus 1 times 2, or x squared. So that's going to be equal to 0. It's a 0 slope. I drew my line a little wrong here, okay? It should be actually completely horizontal. There it is. There it is. That's the equation. Okay, so we got our slope. Still need to determine a point though. So what's this point here? We can determine if I knew this point over here, I could use it, or this point, but I don't. Actually, I do know that every single one of these x values will point to the same y value because the slope is 0. I just don't know what that y value is. And for me to get that, I'm just going to use the original function. So here we go. So y equals, bracket open, x, which is going to be 1. We'll plug in 1. Minus 1 cubed plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's going to be 1. So y equals 1. That's the y value here. Anywhere along here, y is equal to 1. Cool. Let's put into our slope function here, our line function. So y equals 1 equals a, which was determined to be 0, times x, which was 1, plus b. Okay, so b is equal to 1. So the equation of the line is y equals, well, a is 0, so it's just y equals 1. That's the function. Doesn't matter what x you put in, it's independent of x. See, this thing usually has a slope function, meaning that if you put an x value in, it changes, but this is independent. Doesn't matter what x value it is. X equals 14,000, y equals 1. X equals infinity minus 14, y equals 1. Doesn't matter.